and welcome to my channel. It is Kevon Ray, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today is really exciting because we are going to Sydney, Australia. So this is my first time I'm going to Sydney. I've never been. When I picked this trip up this morning, it was a Singapore in there. So I was like, okay, I was gonna do Singapore and somebody got to it before me. So I was all down, and then this Sydney popped in. So I'm like, yes, I would rather go to Sydney, Australia, because I've never been, and I've been to Singapore before when I went to Bali. So yeah, it worked out perfect. And plus, this trip is worth like 30 hours. So we about to get this money. So yeah, I'm super excited. I just finished cleaning up. I need to clean my house like before I leave. I hate coming back to like a messy house. So I just finished cleaning up. I got to do a couple of more things, and then I need to finish packing. So that is what I'm about to do. The flight is a red eye. So it leaves out of San Francisco at like 11 p.m. tonight, and it is currently 5. So my flight leaves at I think 7 to go to San Francisco. So yeah, I am about to have to leave in probably like the next 30-45 minutes for my commuting flight. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope y'all enjoy this vlog to Sydney.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. Just the words, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I want you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit and you weren't special till I let you up. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night him. I never listened though. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. You forget you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you.
Hey y'all, so I just got to the gate, and my flight landed at 8 p.m. from Las Vegas, and I was gonna go to the crew room, but I only had an hour and a half before my check-in, so I just went in the restroom and changed right quick, threw on a little makeup. So yeah, here we are. I went and grabbed a salad from Chick-fil-A. I showed y'all, because it'd be so hard finding like good food places in San Francisco. In my opinion, in the airport, they don't have good food options at all. So I always either bring something or go pick up something before I go to San Francisco, because I know I'll be hungry. So yeah, now it is 9:04, so I have about 25 more minutes before my check-in, and I'm just eating my salad. I hope I can get like I said, this is a 15-hour flight, so we do get crew rest, and I'm hoping I can get the first crew rest instead of second. I am the most junior person on the crew, so I'm basically gonna get the last, like whatever they don't want is what I'm gonna get, because I'm the most junior. This is a really senior trip, so yeah, but I'm hoping they all want second so that I can get first, and I can go to sleep first and then just work the rest of the flight. So basically how that works is like we do our service, and then however much time we have left for the beginning service and the end service, we split that up, and half of the crew go to sleep, go on crew rest, and then the other half stays up. So yeah, hopefully I can get first crew rest. I will let y'all know. But yeah, so we are waiting. I'm looking for a plane. I don't see a plane. The plane should be right there, but I can look and see if it's coming in from somewhere. Hopefully it's coming soon so that we're not delayed, because we got a 26-hour layover, so I definitely don't want to cut into that. So yeah, oh, this pimple is hating, like, oh my god, this pimple, the makeup don't even cover it up, hating on me. But anyway, I will see you guys when I get there.
Working on a weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas call me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block on my team fools us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, you ain't a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. But said what I had to, it did what I did. Never turn my back on MBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas call me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block on my team fools us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
I've begun to take the long way home, so I can be home.
We made it 15 hours later, and we are in Sydney. So that flight was okay. It was a long flight, but it went pretty smoothly. We did have a medical emergency in the beginning of the flight, but it wasn't anything too crazy. We got it under control. There was a couple of doctors on board, and yeah, So other than that, everything went smoothly. We had a 4-hour and 45-minute crew rest, which was really good. I don't think I've ever worked a flight this long. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I think this probably was my longest flight that I've worked. So yeah, I've flown other places that's longer, but I haven't worked a flight this long. So yeah, basically 5 hours of crew rest. Like, that's love. And I slept the whole 5 hours. I'm one of them people that I have no issue sleeping on a plane. I have no issue sleeping anywhere, but I'll be knocked out on the plane. So yeah, so 5 hours of crew rest, and that's really it. The rest, well, not the rest, one person from our crew had asked me to go if I wanted to go to the grocery store with her. So like the senior mamas and papas, that's like they thing. Like internationally, they always go to grocery stores and get that food to eat. So I had to decline. And I'm like, no thank you. Obviously I'm gonna go somewhere. I mean, sometimes I go to grocery stores, like if I'm in London or something like that, because I go there so much. I'll go to the grocery store and get food, and then I know what I like and stuff like that there. But when I go to new places, I'll be wanting to try, well, you know, restaurants or whatever they have here. So we are gonna figure that out when we get out and about. I'm hoping that it does not rain today, because it is in the forecast that it's supposed to rain here, but it's beautiful out right now. So I'm hoping it stays like that, or at least holds off, you know. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, as of right now, I'm about to take a nap. It's 9:36 a.m. So yeah, I'm about to just, not too long, I'm gonna set an alarm, so I'm probably gonna take like a 2-hour nap just to reset, and then I'm gonna head out in the Sydney streets. So we're gonna figure out something, a couple of things to do. Nothing too crazy, but of course I'm gonna eat, so that's probably gonna be later, but I'm gonna find something to eat too during the day. So yeah, my crew gave me a couple of spots of places, so yeah, we're gonna check all that out, and yeah, so I will see y'all in about a couple of hours.
Suicide.
But I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you when I get home. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you. Tonight when I get up, baby girl, I'm having an issue. You know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you.
Hey y'all, so I was laying down for like 20 minutes and I was on my phone. I'm like, girl, get your ass up, we about to get out here. So that's where we are now. We just finished getting ready and I'm about to head out. It's starting to get a little gloomy outside, so I knew that it was a possibility it was gonna be like that, because I did look at the weather yesterday before I left. So that's why I brought like something that I can, you know, like long sleeve. I actually have a whole jumpsuit under here in case, you know, I got cold. So yeah, I tried to bring something appropriate for the weather, but it's definitely giving safari. But it's cool. Yeah, I got like my little hiking boots on. I look like I'm about to go on a safari, but it is what it is, because we not going on a safari, but we still looking cute. So yeah, that's basically what we're just about to go and see what Sydney has to offer, because if it was like somewhere else that I've been multiple times, like internationally, I probably would have just chilled or, you know, whatever, or just went to dinner. But I've never been to Sydney for once, and This was fucking a 15-hour flight. Like, I'll be damned if I sit in a hotel room all day because it's raining. No, we don't do that. So yeah, we about to get out here. I don't care if I'm drenched in rain.
10 minutes later.
Hey y'all, so I did not expect it to be raining like this. I'm all talking about rain or shine, but yeah, it is definitely raining. My outfit is like wet, so I had to get this to put on. Yeah, so now I'm just walking down like this little boardwalk, and trying to decide if I want to grab something to eat right now because I'm very much so hungry. I stopped at this restaurant along the boardwalk. It's called Bungalow, and it's a nice little vibe. And I looked at their menu and they have something that looks real good. So I'm hoping that it is good. Because I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. So yeah, we'll see how the food is, and I'll show y'all once it get here. But yeah, it is pouring. It's back raining hard. So yeah, I'll probably just sit here a little bit until it slows down, hopefully, and then I wanted to go shopping, but it's looking real not shopping-ish. Okay, so the food came and it looks pretty good. So let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. I'm excited for scallops because I love scallops. Lemon on. Oh, it's a seafood platter, so it's calamari, prawns, some type of fish, and scallops, and then fries. I love prawns. It's good. I just finished eating, and the food was good. It was real good. Well worth the little, I think it was like $45. I don't even know if that was worth it, but I'm hungry, so that's probably why I'm like, it was good, it was worth it, but it was good though. So now I am walking back towards the hotel, and I just want to get these wet clothes off, honestly, y'all. Y'all, I could not wait to get back here and take them wet clothes off and get in the shower, because you know how you used to be feeling like sticky, like, yeah, like I was like, that jumpsuit was wet, like even before I got the little raincoat thing, it was wet. So yeah, I'm just happy to be back here. I'm relaxing back in my hotel, and I'm probably just gonna chill. I got my laptop out, so I'm probably just gonna chill until the happy hour. I actually might fall asleep because I still didn't go to sleep since the flight, so I'll probably take a little nap. But I think they said the happy hour was from 4 to 6, so I want to see what that's about. And so right now it's 2 p.m, so hopefully I'll be hungry again, even though I just ate all that food. I don't know, hopefully I'll be hungry again because I want to see how this restaurant is.
that they were talking about. They were saying it was a really good restaurant in our hotel. So yeah, but I've come to the conclusion that I have to come back here, y'all. I gotta pick up another trip. I probably won't ever come on my own, honestly. I thought that before coming here, but being here kind of just verified. I probably won't come back like just, oh, I'm about to go to Sydney, I'm about to go to Australia, you know. But I have wanted to come because it's just another place that I've never been. So I've always liked to experience new things, new places. But like, unless my man want to go, or you know, I probably would not be coming back like on my own. But I will pick up another trip because like I said, the hours are great for, it's a 4-day trip, but I get back like really early tomorrow. Or is it the next day? I don't know. But yeah, I get back at like 6 a.m. San Francisco. So you still got the whole day. It's just a really good trip, really good hours. So I would definitely pick it back up, and then hopefully it's not raining and I can like actually do stuff, you know. So that's the plan. We're gonna pick this trip back up in the summer when it's nice. So yeah, I'm probably about to go to sleep and or relax or watch TV, whatever I end up doing before this happy hour. But I'll check back in with y'all till then.
Hotel Alfredo.
Hi, what time does the restaurant close?
Last order's at 9:30.
Okay, and is there a way I can like find the menu?
Yep, so it's on the turnery.com.au, and that's also how you make a booking.
Oh, so I have to make a booking?
You don't have to. You can try and walk in. We just can't guarantee a table without a booking.
Okay, is it like really crowded right now?
I'm not sure. I can't see the restaurant. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
So I overslept and I missed happy hour. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago and it is 8:14 right now. So I think happy hour ended at, I want to say 6. So yeah, I didn't set an alarm. I didn't realize I was that tired. I was gonna sleep that long. But yeah, I do still want to go to that restaurant that's in the hotel because it's supposed to be really nice. So I want to check that out, even though I'm actually not even hungry. I'm still kind of full from that seafood platter that I had, but I just want to experience that restaurant. So I just called and they said the last reservation. She said the last serving is at 9:30 and it's 8 something now, 8:15 now. So I need to hurry up. So yeah, let's go.
Homer hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec, Cherie, who est mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set, you know I gotta bring the G block, you know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I make it on wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And shorty try to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. I love my guys, I wouldn't trade, ayy. From the cradle to the grave, ayy. Gordo got me on a wave, ayy. And got me on a wave. Couple of hits, now you brave. What? You niggas better behave. What? All that pumping up the chest. What? All that talk about the best. What? You know how sticky it gets.
Y'all, can I just say, this bodysuit is like one of my favorites. So I think it's like shapewear, but I wear it as, and it's actually more so with long. I just have on black underwear, but yeah, I wear it as bodysuit, It's shapewear, but yeah, it looks so cute. So y'all see when I get dressed. But this is like a staple, literally. And I bring it on all my layovers because it's just something that I can just like throw on. Like, you can't go wrong with black, you know? You can't go wrong with an all black outfit. So like if you got a random date or anything, this is just a super cute bodysuit. And it has the adjustable straps also. I love it. And then I just pair it with some like leather, either leather pants or leggings. Super chill night, random night out outfit. And it like holds you in. Like, can y'all tell? It like holds you in. I love this bodysuit. Throw me a black blazer over it. These are all like essentials, I feel like a black bodysuit, a black blazer, and black leggings or black pants, leather pants. All essentials. I wear these, I bring this on like all my layovers. Like, if it's not this exact outfit, it's something similar because it can just go with anything. If you go to brunch, you go to dinner, whatever, because you never know what, you know, you end up doing on a layover. So this is just like one style of outfit that I'm most likely always gonna have when working. And this is the final look. Blazer, bodysuit, leather pants, YSL heels, and Dior saddleback.
I searched that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking that way for me, I ain't got it. My bitch skin, do it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody like you do. I
Yes, I'll get the sirloin.
Sirloin? How do you want it to be cooked?
Medium.
Medium? What sauce do you want?
What are the sauce options?
Mushroom, red wine, green peppercorn gravy.
The red wine.
Red wine? Any starters? No starters? Direct to the mains?
Sir?
Any starters?
No.
Okay, so we have one sirloin medium with a red wine sauce. Any sides do you want to add?
So 2 ladies from my crew just came over and they just finished eating, but they were saying that they're about to go out there and they invited me to come out and have a drink with them, but I told them I just ordered. So if they're still out there, I'll see them after, but I'm waiting on this food. Like, I know I said I wasn't hungry, but now, you know, like now I'm here and I see the menu, I'm like very excited because I'm hoping it's really good.
Sirloin?
Yes.
Medium with red wine juice.
Thank you.
I can never be when I'm with you. How can
just finished eating and now I'm just sitting out on the terrace, just looking at this pretty view. So yeah, I'm just finishing up my drink and I'm about to head to my room in a little bit. But food was really good. I'll probably give it a 7 out of 10. It wasn't like the best steak I've ever had, but it was a really good steak. So yeah. So yeah, I'm about to go back upstairs, go to my room, and I don't know if I'm gonna be, because I just woke up, so I'm probably not gonna be. Sorry y'all, my camera died, but I need to go to sleep, I was saying, because our check-in or our pickup is at 8 o'clock, 8 in the morning, and it's 10 p.m. now. So yeah, I'll probably be up for a little bit because I just woke up. But I am gonna like make myself go to sleep because I need to sleep for this flight back tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Morning, my loves. I am up and it is go home day. So I'm actually excited to go home. I have been like off and on, sleep up all night actually, because it's technically like 3 p.m. My time, and it's about to be 8 a.m. this time. So yeah, I haven't been able to sleep like straight through. So yeah, I'm like, okay, it's time to go. And then also they had sent like, well, they left this under my door, and it's basically like their daylight savings was today. So I actually gained an hour, so I had another hour. So we had an hour longer layover basically, which was fine. But it's like when you up and you can't sleep, and then you know you have, it looked like something was up there, like a spider or something, but it's the fire hydrant. But it's like, yeah, when you know you got this long flight and I couldn't sleep, so I'm just like, we can go now. So yeah, I've been on and off sleep. I had ate these chips that I had bought from when I was out yesterday. I don't know, I'll be trying to try different stuff. So this is like honey soy chicken, and they actually were pretty good. I ate the whole bag. So yeah, now I just got the shower and I'm getting ready for this day. Our check-in is at 8, not check-in, our pickup is at 8:20. So I got about 30 minutes before I have to be downstairs and ready. So yeah, actually, no, I'm going to say 20 minutes because I want to see what this little store, they have like this little convenience store. I want to see what they have down there. And I don't want no coffee though, because if I have first crew break, then I'm not gonna be able to sleep. So I'm not gonna get any coffee. I don't know if I'm gonna have first or second. I really don't care which one I have, honestly, this time. So I guess we'll see once we get on the plane what all the senior people want, if they want first or second, and I'll get whatever's left over. So yeah, I will see you guys once I get to the airport. All right, bye.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
Around in circles, think I make myself dizzy. Oh shit. Don't do that. Oh, please, no. Please don't. Not right now. Please. Please. I gotta pee. Gotta go. Okay. Don't bust. Don't bust. Please. Oh, shit.
I was the first. My first date was staying with the company. I was sitting in the car, reading my kids' parents, also taking penny numbers, having signs, and throwing hands at us, spitting at us. We lived in segregation and racism. That was my job. Angry for years. Angry. Very angry.
Just landed in San Francisco. I look a mess. I look like I just got off of a 14-hour flight, but we just got in San Francisco and we were delayed, so my flight to Vegas leaves in about like 45 minutes, so I'm gonna hurry up and change, and then I'll tell y'all all about this flight once I get home. Hey y'all, so I just got back to Vegas and I am on my way home. So y'all, that flight was so chaotic. Oh my god. So the flight was 14 hours and we only got 3.5 hours of crew rest, which wasn't a lot, but anything is something. Anything is good for me. So you know, I slept that whole 3.5 hours, but yeah, we had a medical emergency at the end of the flight. So you know, the lady that was really sick, she couldn't walk, so we had to wait for the paramedics to come. We were delayed also because they didn't give us enough bedding for our crew bunks. So I think there's a total of 6 crew bunks and they only, I don't know, they only gave us like 6 or 7 and we need 12 because it's 12 of us. So yeah, we ended up getting back to San Francisco like an hour later than what we were supposed to. So yeah, oh yeah, and we had turbulence. We had real bad turbulence. That's why it went into our crew rest, because we had to remain seated for a little chunk of time, so we couldn't do service or anything like that because the turbulence was really bad. So yeah, they said that, you know, this is my crew, this is their normal route, and they were saying it's been like that going over the Pacific. So I was gonna say specific, but yeah, so yeah, it was just real chaotic, y'all. It was real chaotic. And then I got to my Vegas gate, and luckily that flight was delayed also, so I made that flight, because if it was on time I wouldn't have made it because we were delayed. But I made it, and I had to jump seat on the Vegas flight because the flight was full. So basically, jump seat is like the flight attendant seat. It's basically like you're working, you can't sleep. So I usually be knocked out on my commuting flights, but I couldn't because I was jump seating. So yeah, I'm tired, y'all. And then the sweetest thing happened. I got to the gate and it was this guy. So there's only 2 jump seats. It's for 4 flight attendants that work. We were on the 737, and it's 2 jump seats, and so it would be me and another person. So the other person was he was senior than me, and there was another person that was gonna list but didn't. And so he was like, he came up to me when I was waiting at the gate, and he's like, hey, are you jump seating? And I'm like, yes. And he's like, okay, I'm not gonna bump you. He was like, because he's more senior than me. He's like, I'll just wait for the next flight. He was like, I see you've been listed. And I'm just like, there are good people in the world, because that's so random. That's so rare to come by, you know? Like, everybody out for themselves. They like, bitch, like, seniority is everything with this job, literally. So, you know, if you're more senior, you can bump wherever you want on the jump seat, and I would have had to wait for the next flight. So I'm like, yes, thank you, because I just came from Sydney and I'm tired. He's like, yeah, girl, go home. So I was like, oh, that was sweet. But yeah, I wanted to say too, like, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I know it wasn't like as eventful as it like would have been had it been like nice weather, etc. But I just want to give you guys, like, you know, like the good, the bad, the ugly. Like, this is like the real life of being a flight attendant. So, you know, if it's sucky outside, then it's just like you can't do as much. But I mean, nonetheless, I still enjoyed my time. I had a good dinner. Anything with food brightens up my day. So yeah. But yeah, like I said, this is, you know, just the real. And I definitely am gonna pick this trip up again, because I do want to see Sydney when it's like, you know, sunny out, nice out. I want to go to the Opera House also. So yeah, I just wanted to say that to y'all, giving y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. But yeah, so I am pulling up to my house, and I'm gonna end this vlog here because I have to do it in the car, y'all, because I got packages. I have to do it in the car because when I get in this house, I'm going to sleep. Like, I'm going to sleep, y'all. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know if y'all have any questions or anything. Sorry, I'm trying to back into my garage. Let me know if y'all have any questions or anything regarding my trip or being a flight attendant. All right, love y'all.
Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting